Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to share with you my recipe. Beef rezala. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. At first we are going to need some solid and bone meat. I have washed the meat, and on the other side I have given oil in the pan in high flame. When it is hot, I am going to put the meat in it. I'm going to cook the meat in it for 5 to 10 minutes and cover it. After 10 minutes of cooking the meat, I will add onions on it. I will add some spices on it. Cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and bay leaf. Then I will add some tomatoes for better taste. Then I will add salt. Some beef rezala masala. Garlic and ginger paste. Tomato ketchup will enhance the taste. Yogurt. Then I will mix it all together. I will cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking for 10 minutes it will look like that. Then I will stir the curry properly so the curry won't get burned. And cook for more 10 minutes. Now I will add some hot water on it and cover it to cook for some more minutes. I will add some garam masala. Now it's almost done. Now I will add some cumin powder. And some green chilies on it. And stir the curry properly. And cover it for 2 minutes. And here is the final look. Thanks for watching the full video and I hope you like the recipe. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.